Welcome to the third annual Empowerment Workshop event. This year, our theme is Transform. Where you have been and where you are now is enough. I am in the process of positive change. That is going to be your mantra this entire event. First, I want you to thank yourself for showing up today. And I want you to take what you learn and what you feel and bring this into your communities. Your friends, your family, your businesses, your lines of work. We're quicker to punish ourselves, and oftentimes unconsciously and habitually, over and over again, instead of taking the time to love and support ourselves. Because I wrote a whole book on all of that. So it's called Safety at the Roots. And it's a book for information and tools to help you reclaim safety in your mind, body, and soul. How we transform our lives is through self-awareness, validation, healing and getting out of survival mode, and empowerment.
Please follow us if you're inspired to, where we stand with Nikki. I'm going to talk to you today about how our words can harm and our words can heal. And the valuable thing I hope that you gain from this talk is the understanding that we can use our words intentionally to change our brains and to get out of our own way. Words matter.
I am an intuitive channeler, which means that I have the beautiful gift of being able to communicate with the universe, being able to communicate with people who have crossed over, to people's intuitions and higher selves and spirit team. My goal for today is to teach you guys how to transform your manifestation game through healing. Whatever it is that you desire, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. This intuition, it knows how to get you there.
Do you have the understanding of what it takes to show up for yourself? You're not just showing up for you when you show up. You show up for others around you. You have to know your circle. You've got to know where you're starting if you want to get anywhere else. If you want it, if you choose it, and if you're consistent, you have to be willing to show up for yourself. You've got to do something you never did. Take control of your life. It's time to transform.
So I want to share 3 lessons that are going to help all of you when it comes to transformation. Your transformation is always going to look different than the person next to you. And the first one is that you need to have vision. You need to audit the people in your life, and you need to go up through an audit of your entire life. The quicker that you stop feeling sorry for yourself, brush off your shoulders, and stand back up again, the quicker you are going to grow and expand. The next is action will lead to momentum. Momentum leads to results. So trust in yourself, and remember, you need to have a clear vision. You need to audit the people around you and audit yourself. How are you showing up for yourself? How are you showing up for your business? And you need to take radical responsibility. If you want something, you got to figure it out.
I'm a warrior.